Banana said, not me. Strawberry looked around. Where could it be? Achoo! Whoosh! The watermelon sneezed. Achoo! Achoo! The grape hat flew. Whoosh! Whoosh! Hi! The watermelon smiled. Oops! Sorry. Everybody shouted, that's so funny. So pineapple jumped, oh my, oh dear. Tie kiwi